So there's a huge BPO. They have 50 branches.
Mm.
What they did was to buy energy meters, think kilowatt hour meter, think metro na kuryente na nakabet sa mga opisina nila. And they bought 50 temperature sensors also. They put on their 50 offices, they put energy meters and temperature sensors. They correlated the energy and temperature. What they did when they correlated, they found out that if you are to increase the temperature a bit, still comfortable, you'll be able to save on energy. Simple lang
Hmm.
yun, di ba? But then, without IoT, what happens? You wait for the utility bill or the Meralco bill to arrive.
Right.
Meron kang implementation ng temperature mandate. So dapat 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. But then you don't really know kasi there's no way for you to get any real-time feedback eh.
Mm.
Once a month lang yung feedback mo. Ang feedback mo, Meralco bill or utility bill.